Welcome to Sikorsky Today, a video news release bringing you the latest information from Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation. Sikorsky Aircraft has officially launched a new virtual reality center for the CH-53K heavy lift helicopter program, taking the manufacturing of the next generation heavy lift helicopter for the United States Marine Corps into a whole new dimension.
Engineering is all about making things and making things better. And when you're engineering helicopters, you've got a lot of things to consider. Due to the size and complexity of the CH-53K helicopter, we had to be creative in adopting its design and development.
The Virtual Reality Center is housed within the engineering laboratories at Sikorsky's main manufacturing facility. 12 cameras are strategically placed high along the walls, capturing movements of the operator, who is then immersed into the CH-53K digital environment. Head-mounted displays, sensored gloves, and a force feedback system allow virtual interaction with the aircraft. All data processing and recording takes place at the command center in the back of the room.
Until recently, the work of the engineer was complicated by the limits of the physical world, and the testing and retesting that accompanied that environment was inefficient and costly. Now we can perform installs in this virtual, computerized, three-dimensional environment that allows us to animate the parts to see how they'll fit.
All of this innovative technology comes together in what Sikorsky deems to be perhaps the most complex aircraft development it has ever undertaken. Sikorsky is building the CH-53K heavy lift helicopter under a $3 billion system development and demonstration contract with the United States Marine Corps.
The heavy lift mission is critical. It calls for an aircraft that can stand up to the daily punishment of temperature extremes, high structural loads, and harsh conditions that are associated with shipboard and austere location operations.
Developing this large, complex aircraft is no small task. The use of a virtual reality center offers tremendous efficiencies, saving time and money in identifying design gaps long before the real components are ever assembled. We're building a helicopter that will have more than 20,000 individually designed parts, all of which have been modeled in a fully 3D digital environment.
Using the aircraft components the designers create with CATIA software, they can now determine whether the parts can be assembled within the required manufacturing clearances that are revealed by a color coding process.
We have already yielded design benefits from the new software. We uncovered a handful of fuel lines that required modification because the parts would not fit into the aircraft as originally designed, or would have been damaged upon installation. We've estimated savings of about $18 million for this one event alone.
The efficiency of the Virtual Reality Center will carry over to the maintainer's role, ultimately delivering to the customer a one-of-a-kind machine, the most capable helicopter ever built.